Hi and welcome. Today we're making Tunisian artichoke and peas stew. It's called merguez Jelbana. It's very easy and simple. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start with the recipe. We're gonna start with the oil. I have 4 tablespoons of oil over here. I have an onion. We're just gonna saute them a little bit. I am using lamb. You can use beef if you want to, or you can use chicken. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. For the seasoning, we got over here, we have an chili pepper, paprika, turmeric, and a little bit of coriander. You're just gonna mix everything together. Always add a little water. Over here I'm gonna add a little salt. It's up to you how much salt you like. It's optional too. And we're just gonna continue let it saute a little bit the meat, so absorb all the seasoning and the tomato. Now I'm gonna add around 1.5 cups water. You're just gonna cover the meat, and like I said, depends on the meat you have. If it's chicken, would be less meat, less water, because it cooks right away. This is they're not big pieces, so it will cook faster. So let it simmer for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the artichokes. I have a fresh artichokes over here. I cleaned them and cut them in half. We're just gonna let them cook for 10 minutes or so. You're looking for the sauce to be thicker. So now after 10 minutes, I'm gonna add the peas. You can use the frozen one or the fresh, doesn't matter. So we're gonna let it simmer on a medium heat, and you're looking for a thicker consistency of sauce, and the oil will come up. That's how you know it's cooked, plus the meat is tender. This is how it looks like. You can add a pepper in the end if you like. And that's it. I hope you like the recipe and enjoy. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.